How the 10-year bar breaks American families. A call for justice. Description. In 1996, the Illegal Immigration Reform and Immigrant Responsibility Act, signed by President Clinton, created 3 and 10-year bars for people living in the U.S. without papers. This means if a parent or spouse leaves the country, they may have to wait years before legally returning. We are the American spouses and children of undocumented parents. This law is tearing our families apart. Our moms, dads, and spouses are forced to leave, and sometimes we have to leave the U.S. ourselves just to stay together. Where are the liberals with big money and the ACLU? Put your money where your mouth is. The American Families Act and Dignity Act are just shows while no one truly fights for American citizens' federal human rights. When I met my wife 20 years ago, I had nothing but a stable job and U.S. citizenship. I thought I could help her and our stepson stay here legally and be a family. But we've been fighting the same 10-year bar ever since. I am a white American male with roots back to Thomas Jefferson. This law harms me and my American-born kids. We're punished for a crime from decades ago, seeking a better life through honest work. No one fights for our rights. Democrats helped pass the Laken Riley Act, violating human rights and making things worse for families like ours. Should you have to move to another country because of a misdemeanor your family did decades ago? There is no statute of limitations on love. Some say, just leave and come back legally, but that's a lie. The law is broken. It forces families like ours to live apart or leave our own country for decades. We're fighting back. People are pushing lawsuits and real change. If you believe in family unity and justice, it's time to step up. Families like ours deserve to stay together without fear or separation. Being American means standing up for our families, and making sure no child grows up apart from their parents.